with the announcement yesterday, I'm sure many of you guys have heard, we do have two official cases here in Metro Detroit. You guys, everybody heard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we do have two official cases here in Metro Detroit. So it's going to become real here very shortly. It's going to spread. We're no different than every other state. And people are going to panic. That's just what people do, right? People get scared. So it's going to come up as a real objection. You're going to see it in clients you've been working with. People usually freeze up in these kind of situations, but you've got to know the facts, and you've got to know that you're going to have to deliver facts to people and calm people down, because in reality, nobody wants to be scared, but people are scared of the unknown. I read a lot of books, and some of the smartest, most successful people in the world say, always do the opposite of what the masses are doing. So when the masses are selling, you should be buying. When most people are buying, that's a time where you should think about selling. This is that exact time. So why should you buy right now? Let me tell you why. Interest rates are at a 48-year low. This is going to come and go. When this vaccine comes and everything's back to normal, rates are going to probably pop 0.5% to 1%. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, but if history repeats itself, right now it's supply and demand, right? They're lowering rates, and it's a great opportunity. You could probably afford $50,000 more than you could have 6 months ago, and your payment would remain the same. What a great opportunity. While many people are panicking and selling, when in reality nothing in the world is changing, right? The facts of the matter is that this is very similar to the flu virus. Some people will die from it, but some people die from the flu every single day.
Thousands.
Most people that have the flu end up fighting it off and moving on. And most people who have this end up fighting it and moving on. This is not like stage 5 cancer, where most people who get it are dying. That's just not the facts. That's not what's going on. My cousin's a doctor, and he works in the hospital, and he said none of the doctors are panicking or even worried. This is, this is something new, and they're educated and they know the facts, and the facts are that they're not panicked or worried about it. So this is one hell of an opportunity for you to take advantage of people's fear. This is an opportunity to take advantage of interest rates at all-time lows. You'll be able to lock it in for 30 years. You're going to catch people off guard that are selling panically. You're going to be out there doing things that most people aren't going to be doing.